Kryolan offer an extensive range of eyelashes, from fashion to avant-garde and fantasy. Watch as our artist demonstrates using our fashion lashes. Firstly, remove from the packaging and bend the band of the lash around a finger or a brush. This helps to soften the band and creates a much easier application. Using the end of a brush, watch as our artist carefully places eyelash adhesive 5340 to the very ends of the band. Paying particular attention to the very ends. An extra amount of glue on the edges will prevent the lashes from lifting in the corners. Holding the lash in the centre, place in the middle of the eye and then work the edge out into each corner. Asking the model to look down during this process rather than closing the eye can help to prevent the eyelash glue from transferring onto the lower lashes. The first lashes applied are F5, article 9361. These lashes are extremely light, so can be layered. Watch as our artist now applies F3. This duo lash effect helps to create density at the very root of the lash and then length from the second pair. Applying eyeliner, either using cream, liquid or pencil, can help to disguise the very root of the lash. Kryolan hold an extensive range of lashes, from natural beauty to avant-garde and fantasy.